This week, swipe your Nedbank debit account 3 times or more and stand a chance to win an iPhone or Samsung phone up to the value of 30,000 rands. Also stand a chance to win a share of 5 million rands, 500,000 also for your Stokvel accounts. Visit www.nedbankcup.co.za right now. Welcome to FANS Wethu TV. It's the KCB Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 1, SuperSport 1. I'm joined by Big Joe.
Right, guys, this is where we separate the men from the boys.
Okay.
Weekend no join salt and vinegar. Go FNB. Bamba Parilwe. Butuku. Jimla 1, year 2, year 3. No, Talama Bar. Akutori. Bogana Bras. Mono Sakarimo. Otaria Bolo. That is why the score about 1-1. Besides the referee, referee was nowhere. Yes. For Anseta, it's a weekend. Again, it's a weekend. He was under pressure. You understand? He was under pressure. He had to do a lot of things that happened in Soweto. It was tough for him. Yeah. We forgive you, my brother. Why do you talk about Tobia? I can't keep on landing. You're a bear of a man. Not in the Brazil. The 15 meters are in the Narrobiabato. That's something in the times 2. Yeah. Come on, that's about what's very moving to Russia. Let's go, Mota. No, Dimpaza high, details. Katamata Pitoria. Since I became a Kora. Skamata Sanel Mukaba. Also, what do you know? What is it? South America. Thank you, Big Joe.